First, if you have a case on your phone, go ahead and remove it. Clean the screen with the alcohol wipe and dry it with the microfiber cloth. Then, dab the screen with the dust removal sticker. Snap the alignment tool onto the phone securely with the top of the tool at the top of the phone. Re-dab the screen with the dust removal sticker if needed. Pro tip: installation will have the best results if the screen protector has an arch to it. Gently bend the screen protector so that it arches upward over the phone. Be careful not to bend it in half or create any creases in the screen protector itself. Remove the inner protective film labeled with the number 1. You can check one more time here to make sure the screen is still dust-free. If it's not, then dab one more time with the dust removal sticker. Hold the second tab and lay the screen protector across the phone screen. Hold the squeegee felt side down. Start at the bottom of the phone and use one smooth motion to press the screen protector down. Take some time here to apply pressure across the screen with the squeegee to ensure the best adhesion for the screen protector. Release tab 2 from the pin to peel away the protective film. Pro tip: peel the protective liner back slowly, keeping it fairly tight to the screen as you pull back. Next, remove the alignment tool. If the screen protector lifts a little bit at the top, it's okay. Press any bubbles to the edges and smooth the screen protector along the edges either with the squeegee or your finger. Any small bubbles remaining should disappear over the next 24 to 48 hours. And that's it.